Hello there. In this release you will see the 1974 Hungarian motorcycle Pannonia T5. The Pannonia model itself originated from the Hungarian aviation plant Chepel, which, before 1945, was used to produce aviation equipment. And in the post-war years, the situation with civilian transport in the country worsened, and it was decided to produce alternative vehicles at the factory. Pannonia is a brand of motorcycles produced by the Hungarian Combine Chapel from 1956 to 1975. Initially, motorcycles wore the brand Chepel. In 1954 the plant has mastered the new model TL250. Since 1956 the motorcycle has been sold under the brand name Pannonia. Production of T5 models began in the mid-60s. The motorcycle was designed to operate with a sidecar, although for this purpose is usually used more powerful motorcycles. Taking into account the features of Pannonia, the plant Chapel mastered the production of a very lightweight, only 70 kilograms, sidecar called Duna with an aluminum body. Subscribe to the channel, comment on the video and click on the bell. See you soon guys.